But we heard some gunshots before, so I hope the local hunters are not too aggressive. Good morning. I tried to pack my tent, but I put the upper tent on the lake because it's completely wet again. So yeah, I hope the sun will dry it very fast. So today I hope we will finally reach the TET track after leaving Istanbul. So time to go. So I already had some breakfast because yesterday in the supermarket I bought a bit more stuff, so I still had some leftovers. We reached the mountains and here the temperature is nice because down at the lake we had like 30 degrees, but here it's really nice. We still have 16 kilometers to go to reach the TET track. The lake wasn't part of the TET track, so now we are going there. There is a blue track on DMD2 which is part of the TET track, so I really don't know if that is possible. The rest is brown and green. So brown is like basically there is no information about the track, and green should be alright. But blue is usually a hiking track, and if you look at the description on DMD2 it says like the surface varies a lot. So we will see. Look at all these cows. Hello. What a lovely lake. There are trees in the lake. There's quite a lot of sand on this track. Usually this TET goes into the other direction, so we have a lot of descents at the moment. So actually it's meant to go up, which I would prefer. But wow, look at this, hey. This is lovely. This is so beautiful. There's a very nice cave, so we wanted to check it out. Look at this, eh? Oh, this looks cool. Wait. Look at this place, eh? It's incredible. Don't do that. Oh wow. Okay, I take it back. It's not so nice.
No, we need to go there.
Yeah, you go there. Oh wow. This is like really narrow, man.
There is too many mosquitoes. It's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
You don't want to come there? En fait, on dirait qu'ils ont creusé. Go go there. Go in a front door.
Yeah, for sure. It looks nice from here, but it's too small. So there's one more cave that is on the map, so maybe we could go there as well. But we heard some gunshots before, so I hope the local hunters are not too aggressive. Whee! This area is really big, eh? See here.
On the top. Looks like really, really big.
Yeah, that's why it's on the map, you know. There's so many mosquitoes, man. Yeah.
Here is one of the entrance.
Yeah.
So now you go first. I did first on the other, so
Oh yeah.
let's go.
Wah. Ooh, it's very slippery.
Ça a l'air d'être casse-gueule. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. What the hell is so fucking big?
Yeah.
It looks like fucking huge. Trust me that there is maybe, I think, maybe more than 15 or more, and I didn't see the rest.
Why is it so slippery?
Yeah, it's slippery.
It's horrible. And this is not made for. I will never get up there again. Bats! Oh no! Oh, I love it! Oh, freaking hell! Oh, they're so cute! Oh, look at that! I can't believe it. Yes.
like this.
Fransız arkadaşlarımızla
Film me.
iletişim ediyoruz.
What the fuck, man?
Laptopu açayım mı? Lazer.
Hemen left.
Wait, Evora. Wait, I film you. Evora.
Yeah.
Wait. One moment. C'est quoi cette action?
Nasıl?
Wow.
That is crazy, isn't it? Well, we lost almost all day, but that was funny. These guys are amazing, hey? And they made us some tea. Oh, this was really nice. Crazy. So this is the blue track on DMD. So if it stays like this, it's very good. Yeah, this part is pretty muddy, I guess, if it's wet, but we're lucky and it's not wet at the moment. Because even if it's not going up a lot, there are a lot of ruts here on the side where the leaves are, and here. And in the middle, maybe I cross over this side. Ouch. Yeah, but sometimes it's like this, you know. So okay, now it's going down. You know, when you ride like this, my goal is to travel the world, like overall. But because I'm doing it on a motorbike, like the last month, I have a second dream, which is becoming more and more my focus. And this is simply becoming a real adventure rider. I really want to learn that, because I think it's so much more fun if you really know what to do. And I might even take more time to travel. Now I rushed to Turkey because I want to ride here with the mountains, you know, and it's almost winter time, but I've no problem taking some time afterwards going back a few steps and just be like, okay, whatever. I need to train more, to work on my skills more. It will be so much more fun. And it already is a lot of fun, often. But many times, if it's like a steep downhill, I'm just like, oh my goodness, how do I get down here? So yeah, it's really, really steep. Or is it just me crying a lot? I think it's a little bit like sand riding, you know. But no, actually not. It's more like if you ride on a tarmac road, but you have sand on the road, you know. It's very hard, but the layer on top is like super slippery. So for me it's a bit a bit difficult. For Dorian not. But well, he is like riding since he was a kid, you know. That's not the same. Never compare yourself with someone like this, because I started riding off-road with over 30 years, so please keep that in mind. I not only have to learn how to ride off-road, I also have to convince my head that it is safe what I'm doing here. Because my head says, nope, this is not safe at all. What you're doing here is not safe at all. And yeah, this is basically the problem. But hopefully, even with 30 plus, I hope I can get better. If I'm any slower, I will travel backwards in time, which would be good. I could use a bit more summer, you know. So maybe I should stick to that. I really, really don't like downhills, man. This is crazy. A lot.
Yeah, for this stuff.
Huh.
It's for this, I told you this.
Yeah.
Behind the tree, and after I saw this.
Yeah.
Oh, magic.
Oh no. I don't know why it's coming loose, eh? Stay there. What the hell, eh?
We are really lucky.
We met again people, like 3 guys from the Turkish military, and they are on a campsite pretty close to this place. They were just walking past, and they invited us to go to the campsite to spend the evening together. So we will go there now. It's really funny, hey? This looks like a campsite here. This is it, hey? Oh, there are cows. Chick. Ah, yeah. Oh, wow.
What the hell?
Amazing. So the tent is up. I think it's too dark to show you the place, but it's really nice. And hopefully we will have some dinner today. We only did 106 kilometers on the TET. Spent more time in the forest with some locals than riding the TET, but it was absolutely worth it. It was amazing. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and see you for the next video.